Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls of all ages, of course there'd be a train as soon as I started to say something. Welcome back to NewBQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. I'm your host Jazz, the hostess with the mostest, and today we're cooking pizza dogs. That's right, we're gonna take a hot dog, we're gonna throw some pizza sauce on it, some pepperoni, some mozzarella cheese. We're gonna bake it in the smoker, which you can probably hear in the background, and that's what we're gonna do today. Pizza dogs. Actually I said smokers, pellet grill. I finally got my hands on some Royal Oak charcoal pellets, which I really like. So we're using the pellet grill today. So we're gonna go ahead and get these dogs made and get them on the smoker. Alright guys, that is it. That is all I have for you this week. Sorry it's probably a short video, but you know, I really wanted to get these pizza dogs made for the kids, kind of keeping with my hot dog theme I've been doing lately. It's actually nice outside. It's like in the 50s, mid 50s, and I'm wearing shorts because I've been ready for some nice weather, but it's still a little chilly, I'm not gonna lie. But that's it. That's all I have for you today. I am going to do another video today, so be looking for that one coming up. So hopefully getting back on track, getting back on schedule here, and hopefully make some good videos for you guys. So, like I said, here comes the train. So another train. Great, you know, just trains. But anyway, we'll see you. We love you. Peace out.